Hello, I'm Dr. Marty Romero. Welcome to Math 219, Statistics and Probability. This video, I'm going to be quick, short, hopefully, and highlight all the important things that you need to know. First, again, welcome to the class. I've been teaching a while. I've taught middle school, high school. I've taught at UCLA, Cal State LA, East LA, South LA. I'm a teacher. I'm an educator. So hopefully I provide you a good experience so that you could be successful in our class. So let's go ahead and highlight all the things. I won't spend a lot of time on everything. You could read everything. So when you get to Canvas, here's our course homepage. The calendar is right up front, so you'll know when everything is due and any assignments or activities that are going on within the class. So go ahead and review that, please. You will see major things, all the major kind of activities, the online homework, class orientation. I'm offering one in the morning, one in the evening on that first class. Something called Ask Me Anything Pronto session, so I'll be available on Pronto. Pronto is an app that you will install on one of the assignments. It appears here on Canvas. You can put it on your phone also. You have these online homework due dates, the assignments for the modules, and then you'll see quizzes. I have two types of quizzes, concept quizzes and application quizzes as you go through that. And then, of course, the midterm and final exam. So spend a lot of time looking at the calendar so you can keep yourself up to date. The next place you're going to go, of course, is the modules. And in the modules, you'll find a lot of stuff. And you actually might want to go to the syllabus too, but you'll find the syllabus here. So in the modules, you'll see all the information you need for the classes right here, all the different assessments that we'll end up having, the quizzes, the midterm, and the final will appear here at some point. Those are still in draft mode. And then you have the unit 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 as we proceed through the class. That's what you will do. You will start at unit 0, and we'll get to that after. But these are those initial assignments. Let's get to that now, actually. All the initial assignments for the first 2 days. You don't even need statistics. It's just answering some questions, get to know you post, learn how to use our online software, which again is free. The textbook is free also. It's a PDF. There's a checklist to complete to let you know you're ready for class. And one of those assignments, you'll be asked to upload a PDF. Make sure it's a PDF. This class is much easier for me to grade. It's easier to get through the material when I ask you to upload a PDF to do a PDF. And then there's a Stats in Our World assignment. That's unit 0. Those are the first 2 assignments. But important things here, of course, is kind of what I'm outlining here is in where to start. This video is the kind of the video component of this. Very important. How to learn in this class is next. That's what you would take a look at. It's a video explaining how to learn in this class, how to use the textbook, how to use the guided note sheets, how to use the lecture videos that go with it. And then even inside of our homework, you have notes and like textbook and videos inside of our homework assignments. There's the syllabus, of course. We'll briefly take a look at that, but other stuff, of course, the calendar you can find here also. We use an online software package called StatCrunch. Click here to, you do have to buy, it's the only thing you need to buy for the class. It's a 6-month subscription, StatCrunch. You can use other calculators if you know how to use stat stuff, but all of my lectures and videos and things are related to StatCrunch, so it just becomes the easiest thing to use. And then if you need some help learning, of course, in my lectures I use StatCrunch, or you can go to the help website and it has other videos of StatCrunch stuff that you may need for the class. What else do we got? A formula sheet to help organize your thinking. So as we get to the midterm and final, I use your notes. A certain set of notes is not open book and search everywhere, but your notes you can use for class, the guided notes and the formula sheet. Let's see what else is here. So that's a lot of information. If you've never used Canvas, then please go through this stuff here if this is your first online class. So all of the information you need, please go through that, please, okay? I said please probably too many times. I think then the syllabus will be the last thing that we take a look at together, and I'm going to have you read all of this stuff here, of course. The things I want to highlight, though, are where is it? There's your textbook, the technology, everything's here. The different types of assignments for the class. You're going to have online homework, and there's suggested due dates. That's key. I have suggested due dates. If you're late, then you'll use a late pass that I give you. I give you 20 late passes. There are Canvas assignments you will find. There are challenge problems. They're kind of like my quizzes or exams for each unit. There's a process to do that, so you want to click on those when they're open up. and then the quizzes that I've outlined. And actually, I think it's, yeah, so you want to make sure. And then there's projects for the class we'll talk about, and then the midterm and final. Project 1, it's not written here, but it's in the instructions, is going to be an extra credit, but project 2 is mandatory. So we'll have more information on that. And make sure you're available, please. I know there's always someone who's maybe in, again, doing something that day. Plan that out. Now it's very difficult to kind of organize alternative testing times for our short time frame. So midterm is on this Friday, and you'll have a window from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. to complete it. Last but not least is the grading, the distribution of grading. It is a weighted system, so you can take a look at that as you go through that. Okay? But make sure you highlight that. I think that's enough. Hopefully that was short enough. 6 minutes? Okay, maybe a little less.